Welcome back. The following portion of Indy Now is sponsored by Epcon Communities.
Cheers, thank you.
More development is coming to Westfield. We're at the Courtyards of TowneRun, one of Epcon's communities. I know a lot of you watching have watched us talk about Epcon with our friends Kara and Robin, but today we're talking about some townhomes that are going up here. And I'd love to know, what makes these townhomes different from a traditional townhome?
Thank you for asking. They are very unique to us and what people have come to know about Epcon. All first floor living. So owner suites on the first floor, no steps having to navigate up and down, and they all have their own private courtyard spaces. So it allows light to come in and incorporate outdoor, low maintenance. All low maintenance, lock and leave, and enjoy the lifestyle that you're choosing with the location.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about the lawn, all of those benefits. What else would you say, Kara, makes it really special?
So here's what I would say. In general, what we're seeing with people that are looking at townhomes, they're looking for just this sense of freedom. So with our two-story townhomes, we get that sense of freedom. It's very low maintenance, but then at the same time, you're looking for a lifestyle. So we are standing right now in front of the community that shows we're in our early stages of development, but soon this space is going to transform. And it's going to provide this lifestyle with lounge amenity inside the community. But not only that, over here, what we see today is going to be different than a year from now. We are soon to be in one of the most coveted locations in Westfield. It'll be walkable with retail space. It'll be walkable with Lifetime Country Club coming. So it gives our homeowners this sense of freedom. And it gives you that zero entry living, main floor living, but all at a more affordable price point.
Yes, I'm sure people like hearing that. More affordable, definitely. Yeah. And there's going to be opportunities to come check this out. I mean, you guys are always having times where people can come see it for themselves.
Yes, there's a couple really good ways to see us. Well, one, I want to point out we'll be ready to move our first homeowners in October of this year. So the best way to get in on that is two ways. One, go to the website, check out the website. There's a phone number on the website. Call that number, get a personalized appointment with our sales team so we can come out and see if this is even the right fit for you. And then two, we want to invite you to our groundbreaking, which is tomorrow. So tomorrow at 1 o'clock, look at the details on the screen, but we would love to have you come out to enjoy and celebrate this exciting community with us.
Yes, congratulations on the groundbreaking. That's really exciting. I know it feels like there's always a different place that we're celebrating, and that's what's really cool is you have a lot of different options within our area for everybody watching.
Yes, we absolutely do. So this has really opened up a different opportunity for us to be able to bring in anybody who's looking for that main floor freedom, sense of security, walkable lifestyle.
Well, as always, we really appreciate you giving us the sneak peek. It's always really fun to see things start out like this with construction and then see how it completely transforms. So thank you both so much.
Thank you for coming.
Yes, thank you. We have all the information on the screen if you want to check out the groundbreaking ceremony or just see any of their communities. It's right there for you, and we'll send it back to the studio. The preceding portion of Indy Now is sponsored by Epcon Communities.